Okay, now we sort of journey into a different era right here. And notice I got log. There's not a log on both sides. No log on both sides. So when there's not a log on both sides, we've got a shift. We got to do a shift. And the shift we're going to do is toward exponential form. But first, because this is a plus, we got to do the power property. So I need to see the log of a plus 21 equals 2. And notice there's not a base written. And that's because when there's not a base written, we're supposed to realize it's 10. So look right here. There's the log. And it says 10 right above it on your calculator. So this is 10 is the base, 2 is the power, and a squared plus 21a is the answer. So, and then this is 100. So let's subtract it. 0 is a squared plus 21a minus 100. Then that factors, you can do the quadratic formula, but why bother a plus and a minus, because that's the last term negative. So I need two numbers that subtract for positive 21. So if you don't know what they are, you can always put this in y equals. So let's do it. Let's put it in y equals 100 divided by x. And I'm looking for two numbers. Go to the table second graph. There they are, right there. 4 and 25. Okay, 4 and 25. This doesn't seem too bad. And the biggest one's going to go with the plus sign. Okay. And then we've got this factor times this factor is 0. So I want to know where each factor is 0. A equals 4, subtract 25. Now, one of those does not work. So think about putting them in right here for A. Let's try the log of negative 25 and see if it works. Watch what happens. Log of negative 25. I'm going to get an error message. It says non-real answer because you can't take the log of a negative. So this one you got to throw it out. It's not okay. Now we need to check that one. Sometimes the negative one's okay and the positive one isn't, so you always got to check. But look here, if I put A in, I don't have a problem. A plus 21 is 25. I don't have a problem with that. 4 times 25 is 100. Log base 10 of 100 is 2. Okay? I guess you could try that. You could do log of 100. You should get 2. Sure did. Okay? So there we are on that one. That was a little longer. We've stretched almost 4 minutes. And remember, the way you get a one-armed ag out of trees to wave at him, and we'll be back.